Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Turkish Navy in 2023. The Turkish Navy is one of the largest and most powerful navies in the Mediterranean and Black Sea. It has a wide range of capabilities, including surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, and amphibious warfare. The Turkish Navy has been undergoing a major modernization program in recent years. This program has included the acquisition of new ships, submarines, and aircraft. The Navy has also been investing in new technologies, such as unmanned systems and electronic warfare. The Turkish Navy's most important ships are its frigates. The Navy has 16 frigates in service, including the Milgem-class frigates and the Ada-class corvettes. These frigates are equipped with a variety of weapons and sensors, including anti-ship missiles, air defense missiles, and torpedoes. The Navy also has a number of submarines in service. The Navy has 12 submarines, including the Type 209 submarines and the Reese-class submarines. These submarines are equipped with torpedoes and mines. The Turkish Navy's aircraft. The Turkish Navy has a fleet of 120 aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and transport aircraft. The Navy's fighter jets are used for air defense and strike missions. The Navy's helicopters are used for anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and transport. The Turkish Navy's future. The Turkish Navy is planning to continue its modernization program in the coming years. The Navy plans to acquire new ships, submarines, and aircraft. The Navy is also planning to invest in new technologies, such as unmanned systems and electronic warfare. The Navy's flagship is the TCG Anadolu, an amphibious assault ship that can also be used as a helicopter carrier. The Navy is also developing a new class of frigates, the Istanbul class, which will be larger and more capable than the Milgem class frigates. The Navy is also planning to acquire new submarines, including the Type 214 submarines from Germany. The Navy is also investing in new technologies, such as unmanned systems and electronic warfare. These technologies will help the Navy to maintain its dominance in the Mediterranean Sea. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.